Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I show you how to make the beef tartar in classic way. Let's see what we are putting there. First we are take it 1 pieces garlic. Then we are making chop. One pieces white onion. Make it chop. And 1 piece lemon. We take lemon juice and lemon juice. Then 1 piece egg. We need to egg yolk. Soya sauce, Worcestershire sauce, avocado, so avocado this way we make for designing. We remove and make it to half. Remove the fat sheet, then we slice. Everything we slice, then we put all 1 cup. Put in the clean film, then we will make it roll, and we will put inside some beef stuffing. Now we put the beef 200 gram. That beef very tender and juicy, you would see how much fish. Then now we are put the white onion chop, garlic, capers, salt, spring onion, sesame seed, diesel mustard, classic, smoked paprika, then our beef bones for the garnishing. We are all garnished, put in the one plate, so we put here all for designing. Let's see your presentation now. First we put 2 in here, and keep slowly. Now we are remove, but take care, be careful. Now we will put the beef bones, carrot, cucumber, creamy cheese. Now all the garnish we are now putting in the plate. Now we will put egg yolk in the middle. Then we put our before avocado we are making stuffed beef and avocado. In the top we are put the caviar. In top we are put 1 piece dill. All the garnish we are done. And thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. See you for another new video. Till then, bye bye.